Let us look at this problem related to distance, speed and time for quantitative aptitude. We have been given that two trains A and B start simultaneously from points A and B in opposite directions. Two trains A and B start simultaneously from points A and B in opposite direction. So we have two trains. Let us say one train is going in this direction, the another train is coming in opposite direction. They arrive at their destinations 9 hours and 4 hours respectively after their meeting each other. So one train is going from A to B, the other train is going from B to A. Let us say they meet at this particular point M. After that, they arrive at their destinations 9 hours and 4 hours respectively after their meeting each other. If the speed of the first train is 80 kilometers per hour, what is the speed of the second train? So we have been given speed of the first train is 80 kilometers per hour. We are okay with that. We need to calculate this. So let us say this is V kilometers per hour. Now this is important. We have been told that they arrive at their destinations 9 hours and 4 hours respectively after their meeting each other. That means A starts from here, travels for some time, let us say T, and B also starts from here, travels for a certain time T. After that, A needs 9 hours to complete the journey, whereas B needs 4 hours to complete the journey. That point we should be very clear. They arrive at their destinations 9 hours, 4 hours respectively after their meeting each other means A and B are starting in opposite directions. They met at a particular point. After T hours they traveled, they met at a point M. After that, A needs 9 hours and B needs 4 hours to complete their destination. That means A have to go to B and B has to go to A. Okay, now what is the concept we are going to use to solve this particular problem? As we said, it is distance equals to speed into time. Distance equals to speed into time, and when the distance is constant, then S1 T1 equals to S2 T2. Or can we say that the speed and the time are inversely proportional? So we have S1 by S2 equals to T2 by T1. Now this concept we are going to use for these two stretches, one from A to the meeting point, the another one the B from B to meeting point. Now let us take this part here AM. When we take the part, the covered distance is AM by both the trains. We know that distance equals to speed into time. So S1 by S2 equals to T2 by T1. A ka speed we know is 80 kilometers per hour and the speed of B is V kilometers per hour. That should be equals to reciprocal of the times taken by them. That should be 4 by T. The same concept we can apply here in the stretch BM, and we can see that again the speeds, that is nothing but 80 by V, will be equals to inversely proportional to the time. So the time taken will be T by 9. So 80 by V equals to 4 by T here, 80 by V equals to T by 9 because the distance is fixed. The distance is fixed, the speed into time is constant. Now from this we can simplify and we can get that 4 by T equals to T by 9. Cross multiply and simplify, you get a T equals to 6 hours. Now once we got T equals to 6 hours, easily we can calculate the value of V because we already have two equations here with us. 80 by V equals to 4 by T. So what I can do, I can write down 80 divided by V equals to 4 divided by 6. Now to cross multiplication and simplify, you get V equals to 120 kilometers per hour.